Hey guys, Mob Educator Summer Labayan here, showing you guys a quick foil hack on how to keep your foils from slipping. Let's get started. So, have our section right around the face and the hairline, and we're just gonna do a regular weave. Fold through the back, slide our comb in. So we're going to paint about 1/4 inch away from the parting, just to ensure that lightener doesn't get too close. And then turn your brush on its side and feather up. And this will make a very soft transition. Paint our lightener down. And this is how we're able to retighten the foil. With that flap that we made in the beginning, put your comb in and retighten. And you have the perfect foil